Hello everyone, I am here with my new video. Today my topic is a great replacement. French great replacement, also known as replacement theory or great replacement theory, is a white nationalist far-right conspiracy theory dismantled by French author Rand Camps. The original theory states that with the complexity or comparisons of replaces illustrate the ethnic French and white European populations at large are big demographically and culturally replaced with an white peoples, especially from Muslim majority countries, through vast migrations, demographic growth, and a drop in the birth rate of white Europeans. Since then, similar claims have been advanced in other national contexts, notably in the United States. Mainstream scholars have dismissed these claims as rooted and are misunderstandings of demographic status and premised upon an insufficient racist worldview, according to the Encyclopedia Britannica and Greek replacement has been widely regulated for its blatant absurdity. While similar themes have characterized various far-right theories since the late 19th century, the particular term was popularized by Camps in his 2011 book Le Grand Replacement. The book associates the presence of Muslims in France with danger and destructions of France's culture and civilizations. Camus and other conspiracy theories attributed recent geographic change in Europe to international policies advanced by global and liberal elites. They replaced it from within the government of France and European Union or the United Nations. They describe it as a grenade of substitutions. The conspiracy theory found support in European and has also grown popular among anti-migrant and white nationalist movements from other parts of the West. Many of their adherents maintained that immigrants are flocking to predominantly white countries for the precise purpose of returning the white population in minority within their own land or even causing the extension of the native populations. Its allegiance with land in a part of the large white gunsight conspiracy theory aspect in the strategic replacement of anti-Semitic card with Islam Islamophobia broader appeal in a pan-European context. Although the concept remained rooted in estimated in many white nationalist movements, especially but not exclusively in the United States. Although Camus has publicly condemned white intolerances, scholars have granted that calls to violence are implied in these typifications of non-white migrants as an extensional threat to white populations. Several far right theorists, including the reporters of the 2019 Christchurch mosque shootings, the 2019 EPOS shootings, and the 2022 Buffalo shootings, have made reference to the Great Replacement conspiracy theory. American conservative media personalities, including Tucker Carlson and Lever Lutherans, have exposed ideas of a replacement. Some Republican politicians have insecure the theory in order to appeal to far right members of the Republican Party, that as a way signaling their loyalty to Donald Trump. Thank you.